friends, welcome back to our channel Cook with Kritika Prem. So today we are going to make a super delicious, mouth-watering, tempting and cheesy white sauce pasta which all loves and very easy to make. See how cheesy it is. For more updates, visit our Instagram page. This is our Insta ID. The link is also in the description. So before going into the video, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and also share it with your friends. Let's get into the video. For making white sauce pasta, first add 6 cups of water in a vessel and give it a boil. This is for boiling our macaronis. See, now the bubbles appears and add 1/4 teaspoon of oil. Should not add more oil, and add required salt. And I am going to add 1½ cups of macaronis. You can adjust your quantity as per your wish. Let the pastas cook for a minute. It will not take more time for boil. Just cook it for 2 minutes in a low flame. See guys, after 2 minutes the pastas are cooked well. See how smooth and soft it is. See, it should be like this much soft. See how nice it is. Now let's turn off the flame. If you break the pasta, it should break like this. That means it's cooked well. Now let's strain out the pastas and add some cold water to it to prevent from sogginess. Now our pastas are ready. Now let's make our veggies. For that, add some required butter in a pan and let the butter melt. See, now the butter has melted. Now add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. It will give a lovely flavor to the pasta. And add 1 roughly chopped onion. You can also add 2 onions if you need. I am adding 1 onion. Let the onions cook for 2 to 3 minutes in a low flame. If you don't want butter, now you can also add ghee or oil instead of that. See, now the onion also had cooked well. Now add your favorite veggies. I am adding 1 carrot which is roughly chopped. Do not overcook the veggies, it should be crunchy. You can also add sweet corns, capsicum and all. I am adding a half capsicum and 1 carrot. Let the veggies cook for a minute. Now add required salt to it. And add half a teaspoon of pepper powder. That's it, our veggies are ready. Should not overcook the veggies, it should be crunchy. Now let's take it out. And our pasta and veggies are ready. Now let's prepare the sauce. For that, add 4 tablespoons of butter. See, now the butter has melted completely. Now add 4 tablespoons of maida to it. The quantity of maida and butter should be same. Then only the sauce will be very creamier and thicker. I am adding 4 tablespoons of butter and 4 tablespoons of maida. You can also add 5 tablespoons instead of that, and add 2 cups of milk and mix it without any lumps. You can also use whisk to whisk it. It is very better to use whisk instead of ladle to mix it without any lumps. Wait, I'll show you. See, now I am mixing with the whisk. You can also use this wire whisk. If you are not having whisk means no issues, you can also use ladle to mix it without any lumps. See, after 2 minutes it becomes very creamier and thicker. This is the perfect consistency of our white sauce. Now add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes to it. If you don't want chili flakes means you can skip this process, it is optional only. And add 1 teaspoon of oregano. You can also add Italian seasoning or mixed herbs. It will give a lovely flavor to it. And add our prepared veggies to the sauce. And also add our boiled macaronis. And mix it gently. That's it guys, our super cheesy pasta is ready. And at last add some grated cheese on the top and add some oregano. I am adding cheddar cheese. You can also add mozzarella cheese or normal processed cheese. That's it guys, our super mouth-watering and tempting white sauce pasta is ready. Give it a try once, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and also share it with your friends and families. See how cheesy it is. Let's add some more cheese on the top. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Too much of anything is good for nothing. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.